Alright, here are 2 quick ways to flip silent mode on or off on your action button iPhone. No side switch needed. I'm demoing this on my iPhone 17 Pro. First up, the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open Control Center. Look for the silent mode shortcut. Don't see it there? No worries. Tap the little plus button in the top left corner, choose Add Control, search for silent mode, and hit Add. Whew. Boom. Now you can toggle silent mode on or off straight from Control Center. No action button needed. Next option, the Settings app. Open Settings, scroll down to Sound and Haptics, and right at the top you'll see the silent mode switch. Flip it on or off. That's all there is to it. You can use either Control Center or Settings anytime to turn silent mode off again. Super quick, super simple. If you're using an iPhone without an action button, check out my separate tutorial in the description below. I show you how to use back tap and assistive touch for the same thing. Hope this guide helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more free tech tips and updates.